Hello. Let us take two examples of the concept of decentralization. The first is Napster, a peer-to-peer file sharing application launched on the 1st June 1999. The basic idea behind this approach is that music stored on many computers connected peer-to-peer. Napster software supplies its users with a centralized index of all music files and directed users to where these files were located on the connected peers' computers. The result is that the industry cracks down music sharing companies' copyright infringement. Napster is forced to take down its index, shutting down the platform. The second example is about the software BitTorrent. The approach is that music stored on many computers connected peer-to-peer. BitTorrent software was purely decentralized. The files were stored as a packet on the peer's computer, and when a request was made for a song, the software would find the packet and send it to the user. The result is that the industry cracks down music sharing companies' copyright infringement. BitTorrent is asked to shut down their platform since they do not control the software once downloaded to a peer. If two computers are running, the software sharing can still occur. Music sharing companies gave us the first glimpse into peer-to-peer networking. Besides copyright infringement, the main challenge for the music sharing companies was file integrity. You could never be sure the file you requested was the file you would get, and there was no one to complain to. Both Napster and BitTorrent are operating today with different business models.